So we're back with environment and sustainable development, and in this we're going to study about the impact of environmental degradation. So any guesses what impact? Yes, health. Health is compromised. There's respiratory and waterborne diseases that are going on, and even simple things that drinking water, pure drinking water is not available. Then words like global warming, then what do you call it, ozone depletion, or even carbon footprints, uh, kun- they become ordinary words which are spoken by everyone. I mean, it's more like they've come into our colloquial lingo, and yes, all point out to one thing, and that is environmental crisis. So just go through this while I hurriedly just tell you what it is. I can just explain. So, impact of environmental degradation. First, you can just say it harms human health and increases expenditure on health. So, if you're not healthy, you'll have to spend. Then it comes in the way of economic growth due to decline in productivity. Third, it also leads to degradation in ways such as more expenditure on providing access to clean drinking water because of polluted and dried up rivers, and then so much of spending on technology and research to explore new resources. Then a rise in health expenditure to cure diseases that result from air and water pollution. So basically we find that many resources have become extinct, and the waste generated therein are much way beyond the absorptive capacity of the environment, which means the ability of the environment to absorb degradation is compromised. It's not there. The result is that today we are on the threshold of environmental crisis. Another point is that the industrial development has polluted and dried up rivers and other aquifers, making, as you said, as we just said that water is being an economic good. You can't get good fresh drinking water. Then extraction of both renewable and non-renewable resources has exhausted some of the vital resources, and that's how we are spending huge amount of technology, which we've already discussed, and research to explore new resources. So that is also there. Then added to these are the health cost of degraded environment quality, that is decline in the air and water quality. 70% of water in India is polluted, and this has resulted in increased incidence of waterborne diseases, respiratory diseases. So expenditure on health is also rising. Then of course we talked about global warming, ozone depletion, and this also has come in the way of the development of human resource development. So it is clear that the opportunity cost of negative environmental impact is very high. So we will talk more about global warming and ozone depletion in the next class.